Hi.
Hi.
Today we had another lesson of ALE and it was about UK. Yay. England.
UK.
Oh, but before that we need to introduce about this person. Ta-da! As you know, I'm Ai and you're
I'm Masaya.
Masaya. He's another teacher of our class ALE.
Yes.
And usually Kosuke and I'm like teaching English and teaching classes, as you know, something like that. And he's supporting our class. So actually he's like looking some students who are not really good at English, or
especially for help somebody who don't understand English. Yeah. So.
How is it?
Yeah, it's great. Also, everybody growing up, especially speaking and some grammar. So yeah, it's great.
Yeah, some students, like as we show on the video last week, they are coming on since June, and now about 2 months passed. They get used to speak in front of people, which is a great thing.
Yeah.
And what do you like about ALE?
Of course, it's for free.
Yeah.
And it's easy to connect with other people.
Yeah.
And also it can be friends easily. Also we can speak English a lot.
Yes, a lot and a lot. Now we're thinking about doing something new from next month, which is about discussion.
Yeah.
Yeah, discussion.
Great. Yeah.
So how do you feel about that? Is it possible now?
It should be hard, but yeah, it's possible. Everyone can do that.
Yes.
So.
What do you want to talk about?
Food.
What, food? Arabic food?
No. No.
He's an Arabic person.
I'm gonna do that. If you guys like that.
Yeah. You know what? He is, of course, Japanese, but he's like obsessed with Arabic sort of thing. So you're.
Assalamu alaikum.
Yeah. Just he spoke Arabic. Okay, whatever. And I need to announce about the next class. The next class is on pause. Then we skip the class because of our Bon holiday. Then we're gonna have a class on 18th next. And then we also have a class on 25th. And we're going to talk about some food stuff, gender stuff, or activity stuff, or things like that. Are you excited?
Yeah, it must be fun.
Yeah. Okay, anyway. Thank you so much for watching this video.
Thank you so much.
I really want you to come to our class and hope you enjoy our class together with us.
Yeah.
So, finish the movie with some nice words.
I just came up with only Arabic.
Okay, go ahead.
Masalam.
Okay, bye.